What up, y'all? So we just gonna hop straight into this video. What I'm doing right now is basically just parting my hair, and I'm gonna give you a closer look so you can see a little better. But I'm just taking my shining jam and I'm putting some on the part of my hair, and then I'm parting it even cleaner. That helps me to get a really neat straight part. And as you can see, I got a mirror in the back as well.
Productions.
So I'm telling y'all, if you pre-part your hair and just twist each section like I'm doing here, it makes the process so much easier. It saved me so much time. I'm telling you, do this. It's a game changer.
Jeff Productions. Productions.
Alright, so boom. You can see I've already started braiding. So I'm about to just take my little section, brush it out, and then I'm gonna start braiding my hair first, and then I'm gonna feed in the hair that I have. Now here I'm using curly hair, but I've been going back and forth between using curly hair and using the braiding hair because I'm low-key running out of hair. And it's kind of hard to explain how to feed in hair, but I'll try to explain it for y'all. So basically, as you're braiding, you're taking that extra piece of hair and you're putting it under your finger and braiding it in like it's your regular hair. It's hard to explain, but practice makes perfect.
Jeff Productions. Productions.
So since I want the little curly pieces coming out, I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. I basically just take a piece from what I'm braiding out and I clip it up to the top of the braid to just move it out the way while I finish braiding. And then when I'm done braiding the whole braid, I take that clip out and I let that curly piece just hang. I hope that makes sense.
Jeff Productions. Productions. Jeff Productions. Jeff Productions.